Hello and welcome. It is a genuine pleasure to have you with us today as we embark on a journey into the truly extraordinary. Our planet, this remarkable sphere of life, is home to a staggering diversity of creatures. Many are familiar to us, seen in our gardens or on our screens. But hidden away in the deepest oceans, the densest jungles, and the most remote corners of the world, there are animals so strange, so fantastical, that they seem to have sprung not from evolution, but from the pages of a storybook. They challenge our very perception of what an animal can be. These are not mythical beasts or digital creations. They are living, breathing beings that share our world. We will be exploring 10 such creatures, each with a unique and almost unbelievable story to tell. Now, prepare to be amazed as we begin our exploration of the real animals that look utterly unreal. Our first subject is a creature of perpetual youth, a true enigma of the amphibian world. Residing in the cool, quiet waters of lakes near Mexico City, we find the axolotl. At first glance, it appears almost cartoonish, with a gentle, unblinking smile and feathery external gills. It seems to be a creature caught in suspended development, retaining its larval features throughout its entire life. But its charming appearance belies an almost miraculous biological power. The axolotl possesses one of the most extraordinary abilities in the animal kingdom: regeneration. It can regrow missing limbs, organs, even parts of its brain, perfectly and without scarring. High in the humid canopy of Central and South American rainforests lives a creature that puts its heart on display for all to see, quite literally. This is the glass frog. From above, it appears as a modest, lime-green amphibian, but its true marvel is revealed from below. Its abdominal skin is completely transparent, a living window into its inner workings. Through this delicate membrane, one can observe its tiny heart pumping, its digestive system working. This extraordinary transparency serves as unique camouflage, making it nearly invisible to predators. Journeying to the vast, windswept steppes of Central Asia, we encounter an animal that seems to have walked out of a prehistoric era. The saiga antelope is a true survivor, having roamed these grasslands alongside woolly mammoths. But what immediately captures attention is its most peculiar feature: a large, fleshy and bulbous nose that droops over its mouth. This strange proboscis is far from ornament. It's sophisticated biological engineering. During dusty summers, this inflatable nose filters and cools the air. In winter's bite, it warms frigid air before it reaches the lungs. It's a remarkable adaptation to harsh, unforgiving climate. We now plunge far beneath the ocean's surface, into the crushing pressures and perpetual darkness of the abyssal zone. Here, in a world almost entirely alien to us, floats a creature of ethereal beauty. This is the Dumbo octopus, named for the prominent ear-like fins that protrude from its head. Unlike other octopuses that use jet propulsion, this gentle animal elegantly flaps these fins to glide through the water. Living at depths of 13,000 feet, it's a rarely seen marvel. Its gelatinous body withstands pressures that would crush a human instantly. It's a gentle phantom of the deep, thriving in one of Earth's most inhospitable places. From the deep sea, we return to solid ground, burrowing into the damp, marshy soils of North America. Here, we find a creature whose sense of touch is so advanced it seems almost supernatural. The star-nosed mole is instantly recognizable by the bizarre appendage on its snout. It's a ring of 22 pink, fleshy, incredibly sensitive tentacles arranged in a star shape. This ultra-sensitive organ of touch, packed with 25,000 sensory receptors, can touch 12 different objects per second. It holds the record for fastest eating mammal, finding and devouring prey in less than a quarter second. We return to the ocean, but this time to the sunlit, temperate waters off the coast of Australia. Hidden amongst the forests of kelp and seaweed, a living piece of foliage drifts gently in the current. This is the leafy sea dragon, a relative of the seahorse and an undisputed master of camouflage. Its entire body is adorned with intricate, leaf-shaped appendages that mimic surrounding seaweed so perfectly. It becomes almost impossible to distinguish from its environment. It is not just hiding in the kelp, it is the kelp. This creature is a living work of art, a breathtaking example of evolution's seamless blending of life into habitat. In the dry, sandy grasslands of central Argentina, A tiny and elusive creature scurries beneath the earth. It is the smallest of all armadillos and arguably the most charming, the pink fairy armadillo. Scarcely larger than the palm of a human hand, this miniature marvel is a sight to behold. It boasts a delicate, flexible pink shell, attached only by a thin membrane along its spine. A nocturnal sand swimmer, it uses powerful front claws to dig through compacted sand with remarkable speed, almost as if swimming through it. Seeing one is incredibly rare, a fleeting glimpse of a shy, mysterious creature living a secret life beneath the earth. We descend once more into the abyssal depths, to a place where ancient lineages persist. Here lurks a shark that truly embodies the stuff of nightmares. The goblin shark is a living fossil, the last remaining representative of a family of sharks, 125 million years old. It's immediately striking for its long, flattened snout and flabby, pinkish skin. But its most terrifying feature is usually hidden. When prey comes near, the goblin shark's jaws catapult forward from beneath its snout, snapping shut with incredible speed. It's a ghostly pink predator that has patrolled the ocean's dark corners since the time of dinosaurs. High in the rainforest canopies of Southeast Asia, another master of illusion makes its home. It is not a bird nor a bat, but it can glide for remarkable distances. This is the Sunda colugo, often called a flying lemur, though it's neither. It's a unique mammal, a gliding specialist equipped with enormous eyes for night vision and a vast membrane of skin called a patagium. When it leaps from a tall tree, it spreads this membrane wide, transforming into a living kite. It can glide over 300 feet with minimal altitude loss. The colugo is a silent, wide-eyed acrobat of the night. For our final creature, we travel to one of the most extreme environments on the planet, the searingly hot hydrothermal vents on the floor of the South Pacific Ocean. Clustered around these volcanic chimneys lives a crab that appears to be wearing fur coats on its claws. This is the Kiwa hirsuta, more famously known as the Yeti crab. Its pincers are covered in silky bristles that are biological gardens, colonies of bacteria which the crab cultivates and harvests for food. It performs a slow, rhythmic dance, waving its claws through vent fluids. It's a furry dancer thriving where life itself seems impossible. And so, our journey comes to a close. From the smiling axolotl to the farming yeti crab, we have witnessed but a small fraction of the sheer, unbelievable diversity that life on Earth has to offer. Which of these animals surprised you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found yourself as captivated by these animals as I am, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. There are always more wonders to uncover, more incredible stories from the natural world waiting to be shared. Until next time, stay curious.